Welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto, people. This 7-day strategy for Shiba Inu to reach $3 was just unveiled by Shytoshi. Today's Shiba Inu news. The Shiba Inu project and its native coin are currently the subject of intense curiosity as a result of recent occurrences. The Shib army was notified by the company's founder and lead programmer, Shytoshi Kusama, that the development team is working on a burn mechanism that will have an impact on the entire Shiba Inu ecosystem. With yet another significant update being teased by the community's official Twitter account, Shib owners can't help but be excited about the future. We will discuss how Shytoshi just unveiled a 7-day strategy for Shiba Inu to hit $3 in today's news in this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and price forecasts for Shiba Inu. Let's start the video now without further ado. Since Shiba Eternity's debut in Australia, a lot has happened. The most recent announcement made by the official account tweet of the Shiba Inu team just announced via the Twitter Space event has only increased all of this enthusiasm and desire. The official launch date for the collectible card game Shiba Inu has been announced in the Shiba Eternity community update. The release states that Shiba Eternity will debut on October 1st. The Android and iOS app stores will be destroyed as the Shiba Inu community celebrates their release on download day. As a result, there was a great deal of excitement about the coin and the ecosystem as a whole. More excellent news for the ecosystem is available. The forthcoming update Shibarium, which is scheduled to release on or around September 30th, is still receiving final polish from the development team. This improvement is said to increase the Shiba Inu ecosystem's scalability and reduce gas costs for everyone, especially in the gaming sector. The coin is currently worth between $0.957 and $0.1230. This suggests that the price of the currency is staying inside its June range, which is unfavorable for cryptocurrencies. This price drop, which came after a steady ascent from June to August, was brought on by more significant market hit factors. Investors and traders were terrified by the recent 0% increase in interest rates, and the information that inflation was getting worse year over year. When compared to its most recent peak on September 10th, the price dropped by 25.6%. Nevertheless, it has increased from its lowest point on September 21st to the $0.100.38 price range. The anticipated relief rally for the token will be supported by this price range. The resistance is shown by the most recent dip at $0.00119. Bulls can easily take advantage of any breakthroughs towards the 78.60 fib level, making this level crucial. The Ethereum ecosystem may have an impact on the value of the SHIB token because it is built on Ethereum. The coin's volatility may increase due to the present market conditions, which could result in a crash. We may predict that SHIB will ride the wave of recovery if the major financial markets recover from the fall on September 13th. One of the most well-known meme currencies in the world, Shiba Inu, has not made any encouraging price changes recently, recording a negative 6% rise over the past week. However, given the ecosystem's numerous advancements, SHIB can assist tip the balance in its favor. For instance, the October 1st, 2022 date for Shiba Eternity's SHIB download day was just announced. Shiba Eternity, a card-based game, is expected to be released by Shiba creators within the next year, as they predicted last year. Other encouraging occurrences followed this announcement, and they have the potential to raise the price of SHIB. Another significant item was made known in addition to the debut date. 5% of the game's overall revenue will be used to burn SHIB. This gave investors even more joy because it was good news for long-term investment. SHIB has already started burning millions of tokens every day, and in the past 24 hours, he has destroyed almost 16 million tokens. Intriguingly, a different survey discovered that 30% of Shiba Inu's investors are holding the meme coin for long-term investment purposes. Investors can therefore have hope for better times in the future thanks to the enhanced burn rate and the plan to use a 5% profit from Shiba Eternity. SHIB hasn't recently had any significant price increases, although the meme coin price increased. Shib was trading at $0.78 after this news came, somewhat higher than the previous day, with a market capitalization of $5,921,568,523. It's interesting to note that Shib's MVRV ratio increased over the previous week. Although the metrics and Shib's current price action do not directly indicate a northbound movement soon, considering all the positive developments in the community, we can expect these burns to appear on Shib's chart in the upcoming months. The coin's social volume followed a similar path, growing slightly over the last few days. CryptoCoin statistics, however, showed that Shib's relative strength index was in a neutral position, while also showing that the market was oversold, which may have also aided Shib in registering an upswing earlier than anticipated. Since the meme coin released its 595 non-fungible virtual land plot metaverse known as Shiba Lands, Wales has been interested in Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu has suggested that parts of the metaverse virtual plots remain open to all participants who represent avenues, boulevards, and hubs. Other lands, though, will be up for sale. The environment. On its decentralized exchange Shibaswap, developers also introduced an NFT collection dubbed Shiba Bosses. The NFT sales went well and were finished in less than a day. However, the sales page indicates that more NFTs will be made available later. Additionally, the Shiba Inu platform is trying to increase the utility of these NFTs in Bitcoin. The NFTs will function as in-game characters on a gaming platform that will be created by them. In other cryptocurrency news, Block Forest and Shiba Inu are working together to publish a number of NFTs in time for the 2022 FIFA World Cup. This will increase Shiba Inu's relevance and draw attention from the international soccer community. Shiba Inu representatives spoke about a few Shiba Eternity features during the event. From the discussion, the Crypto Basic learned that the game would include more than 500 cards with thousands of Shiboshi-based traits, further revealing detailed information about the Shiba Inu collectible card game. The Shiba Eternity team revealed that in-app purchases such as card skins, card packs, in-game cash, XP boosts, etc. would be available in the game. Because it is not a pay-to-win game like many others on the market, anyone from anywhere in the world can play and win regardless of how much or how little money they have. Without having to purchase any upgrades, each player might compete using their standard deck. For people who don't know how to play Shiba Eternity, the game's instruction has also been released by the lead Shiba Inu developer. A thrilling contest for the Shiba Eternity intro trailer has also been announced by the Shiba Inu leadership team. For the community of Shiba Inu. According to the statement, $5,000 in Shiba Inu tokens will be awarded to the person who creates a mind-blowing entrance trailer for the Shiba Eternity game. As previously reported by Crypto Basic, the principal developer of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, the team claims that the trailer will serve as the game's official trailer. Shytoshi Kusama declared that the current enormous amount of Shiba Inu in circulation would be burned with 5% of all sales from the Shiba Inu collectible card game. The choice was made when the Shiba Inu community forced the main developer to burn all of the Shiba Inu, which had a huge impact on the cost of the K9-themed digital assets. Shytoshi Kusama clarified that because the full amount of Shib is accessible on the market, and obtaining it would require spending billions of dollars the team does not have, it was not possible for the team to burn the entire supply of Shib. The Shiba Inu team is therefore focused on adding burn mechanisms to every component of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, such as the eagerly anticipated Shibarium Layer 2 solution, Shibaswap v2, Shiba Eternity, Shib, the Metaverse, etc. He continued by saying the following as he ended his conversation in the dispute. "We are working on it, which is funny because it's not simple to acquire and spend billions of dollars." Shiba Eternity has become a trending topic on Twitter in the business and finance category after all these statements from the lead Shiba Inu development team, receiving 6,496 tweets. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and channel buttons.